Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? What's going on? This is your girl, Jasmine. I'm coming to you with a quick video. I just got my sample package in. So, you know me, I love doing like either lives or videos and basically showing you exactly what I pretty much received. Because, you know, I'm always a product of the product, and there's definitely nothing wrong with that. So, basically, as you have probably noticed or anything like that, I'm definitely starting off my health and wellness journey, you know, trying to get all right, all fit, all tight. So I pretty much got my dietary supplement, something that you just pour either into water, juice, smoothies that you drink once a day. Basically, got 82 minerals, all that good stuff, whole food greens, definitely amino acids, definitely for your hair. And it can just, you know, help you feel good in a sense. So I got this, as you can see. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can definitely see it. So I got that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour it into my water, as you can see here. Oh, it smells so good. Like a little, you know, red type flavor or whatever. So shake it up, do what I gotta do to it. So that way I can show you how it tastes. Not bad at all. It tastes good. It's basically like almost those little Kool-Aid single packs that you get, but this got a real good flavor to it. And honey, I ain't gonna lie about nothing. I'm gonna tell you the truth. This right here is definitely what's up. You gotta get you some. You can drink this once a day. To basically help with your hair, your skin, your body, your nails. You're basically getting all the nutritions inside your body, all the minerals, whole food greens inside of your body, amino acids to help with your hair. So you're getting all of these things inside your body. This is drinking once a day, one supplement a day. Now, if you are basically like, you know, you have health issues or something like that, then of course you want to contact your doctor to basically see if you can pretty much, you know, use this stuff and also drink this stuff as well too. So I'm telling you, if this is something that you want to be on this health journey, I mean, you're drinking this once a day and either some water, some juice or something like that. Yeah, definitely. Start trying to eat better. Start trying to exercise in your house a little bit. Getting, you know, lifting some weights. Maybe walking if you're able to walk and things like that. So me, I move around. I do a lot anyway. But at the same time, this can definitely and will be helpful to me. If you're looking to start your health journey, or anything in particular like that, let's chat. And then let's proceed into getting into your health and wellness journey. All right, you guys. So my sample pack, as you can see, I think you can see it like this. But yeah, so definitely, you know, I don't know. It's a win-win right here. It tastes good for real. So holla at your girl, because this right here is it. Thank you. Talk to you later.